Hi everybody, welcome to the video of the day. Today we're going to look at the Hoover Windtunnel T series. This retails for around $99. I had this one for a little while so I could really thoroughly test it. And I could say it's very small for vacuum. And it does the job basically. It's an average vacuum. If you want something better, you want to get a bigger one with a bigger motor and a lot stronger. Everything is very built in this thing. Got the brushes here. You got the extension right over here. Everything is already very built in. You got the extension right here. Just push the button. This is very compact, I would say very economical as well too. Even the power cord is built in. So this is probably on the low end of the vacuums I saw. But does it work? Yes, it does. How does it sound? Let's plug it in and find out. Suction power, I would say out of 5, I give it a 3.5 or 4. Not a lot of suction power. Even with the hand tools, there aren't a lot of suction power in this vacuum. It does have a filter. It's a wind tunnel. If you clean the filter, then definitely you're gonna get better suction out of this unit. But overall, this unit works pretty good. To use this, you have to lift this handle. Pull it open. There's an indicator here. System check integrator. If the filter's dirty, you can see a lot of wet part, but right now it's not dirty. Washable filter built in. If that gets too dirty, you can clean it out. Very integrated unit. There it goes. Let me just put it back in. It's a rinseable filter. Not much to buy. Does track a lot of dust. Suction power is okay. Or you get what you pay for. Oh, it is a HEPA filter. And here we are. Take that back. Here's a HEPA filter. These are the features they have. High. Then you got 3 other ones. They got the low feature. Make sure you got low carpet. You want to use the low. Spinning brushes. Very small unit though. You gotta understand. Bigger units are heavy. This one's very lightweight. That's the advantage of it. But for power, I would not say that it has the best power. I haven't tried the Dyson ones. If somebody has, please post a video response or better yet, give me some info of your experience if you had a Dyson one. I'm thinking about buying another vacuum as well too. But this is the wind tunnel from Hoover, the T series. Power core auto rewinds. Of course, the other part of it came off. Let's unplug it and show you how the rewind works. Click on this thing. There you go. It auto rewinds. The clip came off of this thing over here. And again, thanks for joining us today. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a feedback comment. Click on the ads if you feel that it's useful to you and helps you save money and something you like to watch. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining. Later. Bye.